Ever since its foundation by the eponymous Belgian designer and his business partner Jenny Meirens in 1988, Maison Martin Margiela has been one of fashion's favorite enigmas. The house's largely undocumented namesake designer has become the prevailing definition of low profile, preferring anonymity, whether in the label signature, the ubiquitous and understated 4 white pick stitches, or his point-blank refusal to give an interview to the fame often favored by his contemporaries. Closet with Tabas photography courtesy of Mint Film Office, 2015. The collective pronoun which has long been employed by the house only adds to this elusiveness, and until now, the team behind it has been content to keep it that way. On October 22, 2017, however, 20 years after the house staged its first museum exhibition in the same space, the Museum Boijmans van Pieningen will host the world premiere of We Margiela, a new documentary created by co-founder Jenny Meirens and Rotterdam's Mint Film Office, which will tell the story of the house's creation. Jenny Meirens' hands-holding photo group portrait Margiela team film still courtesy of Mint Film Office, 2015. In it, Meirens, who passed away in July, and members of Margiela's creative team shed long eye-witted light on the inner workings of this enigmatic organization through interviews and archival material, from its creative processes to its unusual philosophy. Here, watch an exclusive trailer for the film in the run-up to its launch, and stay tuned for more in the weeks to come. Stockman photography courtesy of Mint Film Office, 2015. We Margiela will premiere on October 22, 2017, at Museum Boijmans van Pieningen, Rotterdam.